Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. We are going to Walgreens to do our Sunday's deal. So let's go for $4.23. Okay guys, the first deal we're going to get is the Olay Captain Spice. It is $7, but when we scan it, let me show you what happens because I did not have this when I scanned it, so I guess it's new popping up. See, when I scanned it, it's $7. Then it has some offers. If you buy, that's $5. So let's go back and see what the deal is again. Here is the additional perk. If you buy 3 Olay or Old Spice, you earn $5 register reward. Now I also have a $20 booster on there. You spend $20 in the store, you get $5. So I'm gonna do this deal. So I got 2 Olays right here. And then I'm going to grab 1 Olay right here. I guess I'll try this one. Right, that sounds good. Let me scan it though. Always scan to make sure, because I think it's also part of this deals of the week. See that? All of that is part of the deals of the week. So yes, there it is. It is if you buy that there. But I'm not going to spend $40. I'm going to do this deal right here, okay? And use my spend 20, get $5 back plus $5 off the 3 Olay. So that is $10 back already from Walgreens cash. This is all I have to buy. All I have to buy is these 3, which add up to $20. And then let me show you my booster that I have. And then here is my booster right here. If you spend $20 store-wide, you get $5 Walgreens cash. So this deal right here was $21. It's going to give me $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I spent $11 for this. That's it. Plus I'm going to get a $10 booster. So that's where I'm going to stop with that deal. And then I'm going to start another deal. So we're going to cash out different deals today. Newbies, these are easy. Just follow the steps. Okay, so the next deal we're going to grab is this deal, guys. Listen to me because it's not a coupon for. These are buy 4 of these platinums at $3.99. If you buy 4, you get a $4 registry reward. So let me show you what happens when I scan it though. Okay. Also, I have, it's part of this other deal. Okay, I'm going to scan it. When I scan it, see it pops up $3.99. Then additional perk. Rebate, spend $20, get $5 for P&G products. So I'm going to buy 4 of those. That only add up to $15.99. So this is what we're going to do next. Grab 4 of these. 2. Now you should have those 4. You're going to get $4 back for those. It's not a coupon form, okay? It's a part of their own deal right here. So that's what you're going to get. So already you got $4. And when we scanned it, P&G is going to give you back $5 if you spend $20 in P&G products. These are P&Gs. So the next thing we're going to grab are these 2 Oral-Bs. Now let's scan them. So when I scan them, they are at $3.50 each. So we made the threshold, right? Look. First of all, I'm going to buy 2. I'm going to get $3 back. Then it's also a part of the P&G deal, so you're going to also get $5 back when you mix it with the Don. So we're getting back $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12 all together. Okay, so those are the 2 deals we're going to do with that. So you guys see that, right? That's 1 and 2. Now I do have 2 accounts. I am going to use my other account for these. Okay, so that's that. The next deal I want to show you, and it's the final deal, is Tom's activated charcoal. They are $4.99. Of course I'm going to scan it for you guys. Okay, I scanned it. You see that it come up to $4.99. It's an additional perk. Buy 1, get $3 Walgreens cash. That is $1.99 plus they're going to give you $3 back after you get the Walgreens cash. So I'm going to get that separate, and it's not a part of those deals. So those going to be bought separate. So this is going to be bought separate. I'm also going to use the registry reward to pay for it, okay? So I'm going to probably get it for free, all right? Now, I would not use registry rewards because there saying buy and spend up in here. So both of them are in here, so do not do that. If you do, you're going to lose out on your Walgreens cash and your register reward. Same thing for this. You could try it, but I'm also mixing this deal with a booster, so I would not try it. It's also a spend and a buy on this one, okay? So let's go and see how we made out. Also, guys, it's some more deals in here you could grab. The Gillette deal did not come up for me, the Gillette shave cream. Let's go around here and look at it. Okay, the Gillette deal did not come up for me, guys. You see the Gillette? It's actually $5.29. Let me show it to you right here. So it should have came up as buy two and you get $4 back. It didn't come up for me like that. So I see some people got theirs. I didn't. My store is not registered, so I'm not gonna get it. Okay. So I just put that one back up there, and maybe the deal will kick in later. I am in the store early, so it might just did not kick in for me. Also, this is another deal that I want you guys to look at because it's worth mentioning, but it's not also registering for me again. The Harry's Flamingo, this Flamingo, it's not even coming up for me. It's saying barcode not found. So this would have been a great deal because we could have bought this, a couple of these. Like I would have bought this deal, or I would have bought this, the Flamingo. But it didn't pop up for me, and it won't. I scanned it and it didn't come. So see that, guys? It's giving me invalid barcode. Make sure you got the right store. Even if you have the right store, if it doesn't pop up, remember I'm big on scan. If it didn't pop up, do not do that deal in that store because it might fluke you, okay? So the Skintimate is $3.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then it's additional perks. Buy three and get $3 Walgreens cash. So if you need Skintimate, you can grab that. But I don't need that. That's not what I shave with. I actually use bar soap, and it works fantastic for me, so I don't use that. Okay, I'm going to mention another deal to you, but it's actually on paper towel. Okay, guys, so we are out, and of course I'm sitting in my car because these three little boys got football practice, and it's going to be a madhouse in about an hour in my car, so I'm not going to be able to do it. So these are the three. I bought one Olay and two Old Spice for the boys. I got back a $5 register reward, and that is for P&G, and then 20% off 10, which I'll be using those this week. I already know it. So let's look at what we did. We bought, this is what we bought, $14. It added up to $21. Walgreens savings, it say $4, but look at this, guys. We're getting ready to hit the gusto. I started, my opening balance was $11.79. I earned $12.21. So it made me have $24 in my account. I earned $12 off this, plus I got a $5 register reward, and plus I got the 20% off. So yeah, that was a great deal. Let's go to the other deals because all of the deals turned out fantastic, okay? Oh, and another thing, guys, on these, the reason why I did not use register rewards is because Walgreens cash is because it was two deals mixed in one. One said spend and one said buy. If those deals are mixed together, stay on the safe side and do not use cash or register rewards, and buy out your thing and then go back in there and buy what you want when you make the money back, okay? Newbies, these are easy deals if you follow exactly what I showed you, okay? Let's go to the next deal. Okay, so now look at the Oral-B. I earned $3. The Dawn, I earned $4. Look, now let's look at our receipt. Here we go. The Dawn was at $7. Oral-B was at $7 because it was $3.50 each. The Dawn was at $15.98. Like I said, total to $22. Opening balance, I had $11.16. I earned $10.22. So that receipt, this one in the closing balance was $21.38. So I earned $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17 on this. So yes, that's another spend and buy. Whenever you have those spend and buys, bite the bullet and just pay for it. And all next week, buy everything off your Walgreens cash or use your register rewards. That's all you have to do. It's really called flipping it, okay? That's all you're doing. So let's go on to the next deal. Okay, so our next and final deal is this Tom's I need to try this because one of my sons have braces and he needs something natural with fluoride in it. It's really, guys, if you have any suggestion about toothpaste, let me know, because the one the dentist gave him, why is he allergic to it? Okay, so let's see what we did. We bought the Times of Maine. It was $4.99, $5.48. That opening balance is from my last card, which was $21.38. We earned $3.04. So we earned $3.04 off of the Times of Maine. Now, if they said it was a dollar coupon, that coupon didn't pop up for me. But I need to see if this little guy can use this. Hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm enjoying you all. Newbies, easy deals. Go grab these deals and build your stockpile. Bye.